In this video, I'll go over how you can change your text casing in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael, and I make quick tips and tutorials for Calc software. Sometimes you might have a spreadsheet with some data or some columns where the text is in a different case. Maybe sometimes it's just in lowercase and you want to make it into proper casing. LibreOffice Calc actually makes it easy for you to adjust the text. So under Format, Text, there are a few options that they provide already here, such as these 6 in particular. And if you wanted to apply any of these case types, just make sure you select the cells or columns or rows that you want to apply to, and then make your selection. I'll just go through each one briefly to demonstrate what it actually does to the text. So the first couple ones are pretty straightforward. There's uppercase, then there's lowercase. And this third one is interesting. It's called cycle case, but it just means it'll shift between different cases. So as we see, there's actually a quick hotkey. If I press Shift F3, I could apply the cycle case to the cell or selection each time. So here I click it once, and you see that it's kind of making it uppercase for every single word. So if I press Shift and F3, now it makes it like a sentence case. Press it again, it's uppercase, now lowercase. So each time you press it, it pretty much just cycles through 4 different cases. Now let's continue on, and we can choose sentence case, which is fairly straightforward. I have 2 sentences, so the first word of each sentence is capitalized. The next one, capitalize every word. And lastly, toggle case. So what toggle case does is actually shifts the letter from uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase, depending how it was originally. So if I try it again, you can pay attention. Anything that's lowercase in my sentence will turn to uppercase and vice versa. So I'll apply it once again for toggle case, and now we're back to how it used to be. So that's it for today's tip. I only showed some brief examples, but this really comes in handy when you have many columns or rows or spreadsheets with casing that looks off, and you can quickly change the format of your text within your spreadsheets. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about LibreOffice Calc, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay nifty.